To replace the feet on your easy out sofa, we will need to lift the sofa off the ground so that we may unscrew the foot that is in need of replacement. To do this, I am putting my sofa on its side. However, there are many different ways you can do it as long as you make sure to avoid pinch points and you make sure to avoid any crushing. There are two different types of feet on your easy out sofa, the first of which is square and is held in place by number 2 Phillips head screws. To remove it, we will simply remove the screws. And then when it's time to replace, we will return the screws to their original holes. The other type of foot that you will see is a round foot. There's a bolt that goes directly inside of the round foot, and the foot itself is what screws into the couch. To replace, we simply rotate the foot, and then we will reinstall the new foot in its place. Lower the couch back to the ground and place the cushions back on top.